What's up guys, Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this 2024 Hyundai Elantra. Came in from a client of ours. She just purchased this thing. She's really excited. It's her first new car that she picked up. She wanted to make this thing a little bit better for her daily drive. So we were able to do a few really cool things to this car to just make it that much better. So first you can see is the window tint. We just did a 20% film. This is our mid-level film. It's going to offer a really good heat and UV rejection. It's by our window tint company, SolarGard. We offer 3 different levels, like a good, better, best. Window tint nowadays, it's really popular because of the UV ray issues, skin cancer, and then of course keeping internal temperatures down on vehicles. So we usually always recommend at least the mid or higher level film for window tint. Next would be the remote start. Of course we do a ton of these in the winter, but we do a ton in the summer as well. On this vehicle we were able to do the factory key fob for the start and turning off the vehicle, so you don't have to carry any extra remotes. Along with that, you're actually able to add an app. So there's another module we can install to add app control if you want to go that route. And then lastly, as crazy as it is, this vehicle does not have wireless CarPlay, so it's only wired. So what we were able to do, we were able to install this module right down here in the center console, plugs into the factory USB, and then from there it's going to give our client wireless CarPlay, which everybody wants. Nobody wants to have to plug in anymore. This car even has a wireless charger right here, so we were able to keep that intact. So really 3 cool important features that we can add to your vehicle. If you guys need anything like this, please reach out, 610-328-0301. And again, this is Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom. Thank you guys.